दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी सर्वलोकवशङ्करी सर्वार्थदात्री सावित्री सच्चिदानन्दरूपिणी दीक्षिता दैत्यशमनी is a compound word. सर्वलोकवशङ्करी is a compound word. सर्वार्थदात्री is a compound word. Arthatha is Mahapranah. Savitri, Sat, T changes to Ch because of Sandhi. Chit, T changes to D because of Sandhi. So it becomes Sachid Ananda, Sachidananda Rupini. This is a compound word. Dikshita Daitya Shamani Sarvalokavashankari Sarvarthadatri Savitri Sachidanandarupini Deshakala Parichinna Sarvaga Sarvamohini Saraswati Shastramayi Guhamba Guhyarupini Desha Kala Aparichinna. Desha Kala Parichinna is a compound word. Cha is Mahapranaha. Sarvaga is a compound word. Sarvamohini is also a compound word. Saraswati, Shastramayi, Guhamba, Guha Amba. Guhamba is a compound word. Guhyarupini is a compound word. Deshakala Parichinna Sarvaga Sarvamohini Saraswati Shastramayi Guhamba Guhyarupini Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta Sadashiva Pativrata Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi Gurumandala Rupini Sarva Upadhi, Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranaha. Sadashiva Pativrata is a compound word. Sampradaya Ishwari, Sampradayeshwari is a compound word. Sadhvi, Dha is Mahapranaha. Gurumandala Rupini is a compound word. Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta Sadashiva Pativrata Sampradayeshwari Sadhvi Gurumandala Rupini Kulottirna Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi Ganamba Guhyakaradhya Komalangi Gurupriya Kula Uttirna, Kulottirna is a compound word. Bhaga Aradhya, Bhagaradhya is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranaha. Maya Madhumati, Dha is Mahapranaha. Mahi Gana Amba, Ganamba is a compound word. Guhyaka Aradhya, Guhyakaradhya is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranaha. Komala Angi, Komalangi is a compound word. Guru Priya is a compound word. Kulottirna Bhagaradhya Maya Madhumati Mahi Ganamba Guhyakaradhya Komalangi Guru Priya Swatantra Sarvatantreshi Dakshinamurti Rupini Sanakadi Samaradhya Shivajnana Pradayini. Swatantra is a compound word. Sarvatantra Ishi, Sarvatantreshi is a compound word. Dakshinamurti Rupini is a compound word. Sanaka Adi, Sanakadi Samaradhya is a compound word. Dha is Mahapranaha. Shiva Jnana Pradayini is a compound word. Swatantra Sarvatantreshi Dakshinamurti Rupini Sanakadi Samaradhya Shiva Jnana Pradayini